Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are unboxing a Tomica diecast, and this one is a Ferrari FXX K. As you can see on the box, the scale is 1/64 and it's a Tomica premium, so there are a few differences which you get from which you don't get in the normal Tomica cars, and obviously there's a difference in the color of the box too. So if you have like a normal Tomica, the color of the box is red and white. When you have a premium, it's black. I don't have a limited vintage, so I don't know how they come. But yeah, let's open this up and see what's inside. And before I start the review, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like my videos, leave a comment, share with your friends. Let's start the review. So I like how Tomicas come in these boxes. They look really nice, and if you see on the box, you can see the image of the car. And I don't think a lot of diecast manufacturers, especially in the smaller scale, like they make Ferrari. A few years back, Hot Wheels used to have a license for Ferrari, but they don't anymore, so we don't really have that many options. Okay, I also like how they're wrapped in plastic. So, first thing first, the red paint job. You know, it's a trademark of Ferraris. They are mostly red. FXXK is a what you can say is a track-focused model based on Ferrari and LaFerrari. Yes, Ferrari LaFerrari. So it won't have like everything which is road legal, so you'll find some extra bits, like you can see this, especially for aero. So let's talk about it and let's see how does the premium one looks. And at the end, I will also show you, I think I have a LaFerrari which is from regular line of Tomicas, so I can maybe compare and show you what the difference is. Starting from the front, you got a nice paint job. Obviously it's a track focused car, so you don't see turn indicators or headlamp or stuff like that, but you got some nice details which are track focused. You can see the spoiler or the splitter here up front. You can see here it's again for aero, and you can see the Italian flag there, Ferrari badge, the hood scoops. If you go look down here, you can see all the grille texture. Again, some good details, right? It is missing mirrors. I do think that even the track car has mirrors. I'm not pretty sure, but I think they do. So it's missing that, but you got the Ferrari badge on the side. Now let's move to the driver's side. On the driver's side, you can see again the nice paint continues. You got the Ferrari logo, number 10. These are the basic details which you get on the casting, like the air intake, this wide body running board. Premiums get these nicer wheels, which obviously the regular ones don't, and we'll talk about it. We'll grab a regular Tomica at the end of the video and show the differences too. Let's just talk about this one. So nicely detailed wheels. You can also see the detail for the disc brakes inside that. I don't know if it's visible, but there it is. So you got the details for the disc brake. You got the FXX K written here, fuel filler cap, and just like the LaFerrari, that door opens here, so you got the cut lines for door. Also there's a nice detail here, since it's a track focused car, so you got the small window here, you can see that. Now moving to the rear, as we talked, this awesome two-piece spoiler for aero. Nicely detailed engine, like it's not painted or anything, but you got all that, like you can see the details there, right? So it looks good. Even with the window, like the kind of carbon fiber texture, honeycomb texture kind of detail there. It's good. You can see the shape of the car. It looks awesome. It looks like if someone has built a car around a F1 racing car, a body around it. On the rear, again, nice details. You can see the painted exhaust steps, big splitter back there. It's a racing car, need all the aero and everything. Moving to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference being there's no fuel filler cap, but there is a cutout, and I think that's because LaFerrari was a hybrid, and maybe I don't know, maybe FXX K also follows the same trend, so you can charge like kind of. So it's for that. Same details on the window, everything. So yeah, overall it's a very nice looking casting. You can see the Ferrari badge here. Yeah, looks nice. Got some nice details, and yeah, it suits the Tomica premium name on it. Now, so this was the casting. I really like it. This is my first premium, so yeah, it looks good, and obviously it's the Ferrari, right? So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the normal, like from Ferrari from the main line. I have one, and I will compare a few things, and you can see what the difference there is in premium and a mainline Tomica. So right now in front of us we have a LaFerrari, which is from the mainline of Tomica. So I'm just going to point out a few differences, I chose LaFerrari because the set car is based on LaFerrari, so it will be easier to compare. So the major differences you can see is, the very first thing is the wheels. You can see how the wheels on the normal one is just standard Tomica wheels, and here you get the wheels design which mimics the actual car, which is really good. Secondly, other thing I can notice is the exhaust tips are detailed on the premium on this one, but on the regular car the exhaust tips are not detailed. It's just black plastic. On the glass side, not a major difference, but I can see the shark fin antenna on the top here, which I don't see on the regular one. And then obviously the paint quality looks better on this one, slightly better. Not a huge difference, but slightly better. Yeah, so those are the few differences I can notice. If you know anything else, you can always comment in the video. Yeah, there are details but I don't know if the paint scheme is just for the FXX K, so that might be a reason. But otherwise, yeah, those are the few differences that I can figure out. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day.